In this video, we are going to talk about how employee pilferage can cause revenue loss to your business and how you can overcome it. Businesses which are employee dependent and run operations manually lose between 5 to 27% of their revenue due to employee pilferage and human errors. Wherever employees deal with cash, there is a possibility of theft. Few representative scenarios are: consider an employee delivers the order, accepts the payment, but does not update it in the record books and keep the money with himself. Or when an employee cancels a backdated order and stashes the money. Another case could be marking discounts on post-dated order to steal the balance money. Or teaming up with drivers and maids of your customer and charging extra from the end customers. Now the question is how to overcome this challenge and keep employee pilferage at minimum. The solution is technology. Technology can help you transit to a process-driven approach which is not entirely dependent on humans. QDC software helps you to reduce chances of such events by enabling technology controls at various touch points to reduce the possibility of theft and human error. Avoid cash transactions and adopt to digital payments at store or customer doorstep. Role-based user access control for employees to limit their access and rights on various aspects of the business. Remote control to track business anytime from anywhere. Notification to customer for each transaction to make sure that business owner and customer always remain on top of the relevant information. There are many other controls with QDC that can set you up to run your business on autopilot mode. I hope this video was helpful. Like thousands of other dry cleaners and launderers, if you are ready to make your business theft-free, subscribe to QDC software now.